Hey guys, it's Meesh here and welcome to my channel. This is my first ever YouTube video and I'm so excited that I finally am able to share some content with you guys. I've been working on my channel for literally over a year now. I was really set on making my channel have a certain vibe to it and feel like it was me on a channel. So I'm very excited to share it with you guys. I have my Beats by Meesh makeup page, but I wanted to kind of further extend that, give you guys a more personal look into my makeup, what products I use, what I use on my clients, what I use on myself, what techniques I use. So hopefully you guys will be very interested in that. I'm so grateful you guys decided to click on this link and watch this video. So please like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe. I'm so excited to go on this journey with you guys. And if you want to see how I achieved this look, please continue watching.